Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off active status on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to download Instagram from Play Store and log in your account. Once you log in, you simply need to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on settings. Once you are in setting, you simply need to click on privacy. Once you are in privacy, you simply need to scroll, and here you can see the option of activity status. Click on that option, and here you can see that show activity status. Once you click on that, now your friends are able to see you are active on Instagram, and once you click on that option, you are now not active on Instagram. So this is a simple process by which you can turn on and off active status on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.